friends, welcome back to my kitchen, and we have a big job to do today. I am going to be utilizing my food grade bucket. I have 3 of them, and I purchased some Mylar bags. So I have gallon size, quart size, and then I actually have a few 2 gallon. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting in my quinoa, flour, oats, sugar, chia seeds, rice. I've got some coffee, some more oats, and then some other coconut flour. But I'm going to get them all sealed up. I kept out what I think I'm going to use for the next few weeks, but I'm going to get them for long-term storage and store it in my food grade buckets. So I thought I'd bring you with and get it taken care of. So come on with. Okay friends, so I've just kind of decided what size I'm going to use for which item. And I'm going to use mostly the gallon size bags that I've accumulated. And those are the 4.5 mil thick. And then I like to put all of the product in the bags. And then at the end, we seal them up. So we're going to get everything in the bags. I've got a few quart ones. I'm kind of deciding I'm going to use on some smaller items. But let's get to it. And I'll speed this up for you. Okay, so let me get my labels, and then I'm going to get the oxygen absorbers and we'll get them in the bag. Meanwhile, I'm going to start heating up my iron. I've got my straightening iron that I'm going to utilize and get these sealed up. Okay, so for each gallon bag, these are 400 cc's, and you want to make sure that they're flexible, which they are. And I'm just setting them in there in each gallon. And actually, I'm probably just going to utilize all of these. Okay. Down to the last few here. Okay. And I need 2 more in the small ones. I think I'm going to wait to open this new pack until I have some of this done, because otherwise they don't seal up good. So let me get my Sharpie. So this is oats. All right, so I'm going to skip this over. Let's start with the little one. All right, so this one's chia seeds. So they do have like the closing on it. So try to close it. Okay. So this is totally closed. I'm going to write on it quick. And then 4 of 22. And then I'm taking literally my hair straightener and I'm just going over the ends here to make sure that it's totally sealed. And then what that'll do is that'll turn this into a little oxygen tank, and that oxygen absorber will suck down eventually. And I'll show you a sample. Okay, I think I got that one pretty good. So for instance, I did my Brazil nuts, 3 of 20, and you can see I put one oxygen absorber and it's sealed on here. My husband and I, we have a Brazil nut every day, and for the selenium, thank you, Miss Rain Country, and I buy them in bulk, so this will be for when we get back next year. So just thought I'd show you that. So let's move on. I'm gonna do the oats. Seal it up like a Ziploc bag. Make sure it's totally closed, which it is. Okay. And I'm going to seal it. And I'll speed this up for you. So I'm going to put this right in my 5-gallon bucket, just like this. So it's literally going to sit in my 5-gallon bucket. Okay. Here's some more oats. So we'll utilize that. So if you don't fill the bag up quite full, try to squeeze all that excess air out. Okay, so now I'm on to the flour, and if you're wondering why I have so many flours, is because I try to buy one every time that I go grocery shopping, or if it's on sale, so I've got some different ones, but I definitely always try to buy organic. And yeah, I probably could have saved if I bought a giant thing of it, but this is just my routine of how I purchase things. So I'm going to try to utilize and put these, I'm probably going to try to put like 2.5 or 1.5 in each gallon bag. I'm pretty sure that it will fit, but I'm going to test it out. Okay, here we are. So I kind of made a little contraption here because my 2-gallon bags do not have the gusset on the bottom. So I'm utilizing the inside of a cooler actually, and it fits kind of perfect. So I'm going to try to put at least two of these organic, all unbleached, all-purpose flour in these. Okay, and so the difference with this one is it doesn't have the zip seal on it. So when I throw the oxygen absorber in, I'm gonna have to really do it quickly and like crimp it down as fast as I can with that straightening iron. Okay, so that's my big one. Okay friends, we are gonna cut open the oxygen absorbers again. And then actually for this big one here, I need to put at least 2 in here and get it sealed up right away. So I'm gonna do that one first. And then always double check and make sure that they're loose. Sticking these in. So a gallon size, and then this one's a 2 gallon. And then this one's a quart. I'm still putting 1 in there. All right. Let's get 1, 2. I might just throw a third one in there. And then I've got 1 left. Maybe for here. Okay. All right. Let's see if I can maneuver this. Okay friends, thanks for coming with me. I am feeling super accomplished today. So I have my sugar, coconut flour, quinoa, rice, some coffee, chia seeds, oats, and quite a bit of flour. And like I said, I've just been stocking up pretty much every grocery trip so that I can possibly save some money with all these skyrocketing prices. So what do? Leave it down below. And I appreciate you coming with me. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Quinoa, and then my food saver buckets? No, food grade buckets. Food grade.